Hello everyone. Today we will learn about rural administration. Rural means villages and administration means organizing or managing things. For a vast country like India, the proper administration is the big task. And so, the country is divided into states. There are around 28 states in India. Further, these states are divided into districts. And districts are divided into tehsil or talukas. So, the state is divided into districts are divided into tehsils and talukas. Now, every tehsil and taluka is the collection of towns and villages. There are more than 6 lakhs villages in India. Now the question arises how to provide good water supply, electricity, proper healthcare and education to the people. The main occupation of the villagers is farming. People usually are related to the land work. Government is responsible to maintain this record. As land always relate to the disputes at the time of buying and selling or at the time of division of land. If there is a dispute, they have to report to the police station. Every area has its own police station. Station house officer SHO is responsible person over there. He is the person in charge of the police station. He usually listen to the complaint and write the complaint in written form. FIR is the first information report which the SHO has to maintain. The maintaining of land record is done by the Patwari. What is the work of Patwari? He has to maintain land record and also organize the land revenue. He has to update the land records time to time. Maintaining crops harvest, information regarding it is also done by him. Revenue Department of the government keeps the track of all this work. This is the Kasra record which the Patwari has to maintain. In this record, there is a name of the owner, the area dimension of the land, the harvest which is grown on the land. Patwari is supervised by Tehsildar. What is the work of Tehsildar? He has to supervise the work of Patwari. He has to hand over the copy of land records to the farmer. Students who require the caste certificate, they can obtain from the Tehsildar. He usually hears and solves the disputes if there are any. District collector is the head of the district. Under him is the revenue officer. Revenue officer is also known as Tehsildar. We have often seen women working in villages. They usually do the farm work, but they did not have the right to own the land in the earliest days. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act was passed in year 2005. Under this act, daughters in the Hindu community are given the same rights as sons in matter of inheritance. This was an important landmark in ensuring that women were treated equally in relation to men. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Under this act, daughters in the Hindu community are given the same right as sons in matter of inheritance, even after her marriage.